Hi everyone. So if you are preparing yourself for digital VLSI jobs, then certainly you have landed on the right platform. In this video, we are going to discuss our complete course curriculum. We will discuss the features, curriculum and everything about our course that is made for digital VLSI placements. So let's get started. Let's first discuss the features of this course. So what all features are there? So first one, complete video lectures are there. So 150 hours of content is there for digital design, COA, Verilog, and 60 hours of content is there for aptitude. What all things have been covered in the course that we are going to discuss in this video only. Okay, so curriculum we are going to discuss, but as of now we are just discussing the features. In the features, complete video lectures you will be getting. Along with that, you will be getting the doubt solving group as well. You will be added to a doubt solving WhatsApp group. There personally I and Anisha will be clearing all your doubts. Along with that, if it is required, we will take some live session as well. Okay, along with that, you will be getting the neatly written lecture PDF. So lecture PDF will be having two kind of PDF would be there. One will be slides, other one will be printable. So if you want to get the printout, then you can get the printout as well. And if you want to study from PC or from mobile or from some iPad or whatever the device you are having, if you want to study from that, then you can study with the help of slides as well. And if you want to check the quality, then you can check the quality of the notes on our Telegram group, or you would have already checked. I post the notes on LinkedIn as well. So there also you can check the quality of the notes. Assignment problem. So we are framing the assignment problem as well in between when you are covering the lecture part, when you are covering the theory part. So there will be some assignments. Along with that, in the assignment, there will be video solution as well. So problem solving will also be there. Along with that, after covering all the course content, you will be getting the test series as well. In the course itself, you will be getting the test series. There 350 plus problem are there based on based on your digital design, based on Verilog and COA. Okay, and along with that, aptitude problem will also be there separately. So 350 problems are there only for the digital electronics part, Verilog and COA part. Aptitude problems are different. Okay, so all these test series also you will be getting. Now the next question, is there any prerequisite? So answer is no, there are no prerequisite of the course. If you don't know anything about electronics, if you want to start right from the zero, you can start from here as well. Okay, so there are no prerequisite of this particular course. Let's discuss the course curriculum now. So now we are going to discuss the course curriculum. What will be the flow? First we will be talking about digital design, then we will be talking about Verilog, then we will be talking about COA, and then we will be talking about aptitude. So first let's talk about digital design. So we will be starting with the basics. So these basic topics we are going to cover. So you can just read the topics: Boolean algebra, logic gate, K-maps, number system and their arithmetic, binary code and their arithmetic. So ones complement, twos complement, all these things we are going to cover in this basics portion. Then we will study combination circuits. So all kind of combination circuits are there. Whatever that anyone can ask, like mux, demux, how to implement that particular mux from that particular mux. So all these kind of questions we are going to see, and adder, full adder, half adder, all these kind of topics we are going to see. So that will be the combination circuit part. Then we will study about the sequential circuit, latches, flip-flop, counters, asynchronous, synchronous, all these kind of counters we will see, and then ring counter, twisted ring counter, and all kind of delay based problem also we will see. So that will be the part of sequential circuits. And then we will study about finite state machine. So overlapping, non-overlapping, sequence detector and sequence generator circuit, all these kind of circuits we are going to see for finite state machine. And then we are going to see STA, static timing analysis. So in static timing analysis, these topics I have covered. Now STA is a vast topic, right? There would be some companies hiring only for the STA profile. It might happen that a company is coming just for the STA profile. So STA is a vast topic. So what all things that I have covered in STA, that I have put in this video. So that is available on YouTube itself. So you can go to YouTube, type static timing analysis. It is having 25k views in 5 months. So you can see the quality there. So whatever that I have covered, that has been put in this particular video only. There would be some other topics as well. You want to know more in depth of STA. So what all part that I have covered, that has been put on YouTube itself. So you can check out the what all depth we have covered. Okay, I am not saying that if a company is coming only for the STA profile, then this much would be enough. No, 3 hours of content only for the STA profile will not be enough. They will be expecting much deeper analysis of STA. Okay, so for a general company, let's just say like 90% of the companies will ask this much only, whatever that has been covered here. Now 10% of the company would be there who will be expecting right depth of STA. So that kind of depth, like everything about STA has not been covered. So that was about the STA. Okay, regarding FSM, sequential circuits, combination circuit, no matter whatever the company is coming, no matter whatever the question they are asking, everything is covered regarding these basics. But just about STA, because there would be, I guess, one company, I'm not taking the name of that particular company. So that company hires only for STA profile. So for that particular profile, if you are looking that for that particular profile, I need complete STA. So that part is not there. Only what 95% of the companies will be expecting this much only. What has been covered here itself. Okay, I hope this point is clear. So I wanted to have the complete transparency that what all content we are covering. That's why I have wrote down all the topics in a very depth manner. That what all things we are covering, it should be clear to the student who is going to purchase the course, right? Then coming to the data converters part, so data converters part has been completely covered. Now in CMOS VLSI, so CMOS VLSI is also a very vast topic, but 95 or I would say 97% of the companies will be expecting this much only, whatever that we have covered. So CMOS VLSI roughly in 12 hours we are covering. So it's not that we are covering the complete part of digital IC design by Janaki Ravan sir. So that is more in depth, right? We are not covering the complete digital IC design. We are just first we will see the MOS physics, then we will see past transistor logic. We will study about CMOS inverter, pulse response, ramp response. Then we will talk about the power dissipation, dynamic power dissipation, static power dissipation in CMOS. Then we will talk about the noise margin in CMOS, what all are the advantages of using the CMOS, and then we will see some logic gate implementation. So some combination circuit implementation we are going to see. Now it's not that I am designing a sequential circuit using CMOS, so that kind of depth we are not covering. And 95 to 97% of the companies expect this much only. Okay. Now if some company is coming only for that particular part, that only IC design they are asking, like they are going too much into depth. So depth is also covered here. Okay, depth is also covered, and there are a lot of videos from my side only on CMOS. That power dissipation has been uploaded completely on YouTube, so you can go and check out that particular part as well, that what kind of depth we are covering. But I am not claiming that I am covering the complete playlist by Janaki Raman sir. Okay, complete playlist by Janaki Raman sir has not been covered, but most of the part has been covered here. Okay, whatever that is required for a general company, that has been covered. And then RC circuits are also important, so that part also we have covered, because in some digital design interview, RC circuits are also asked. So that part also we have covered. Now from now onwards, Anish sir will take over and he will be talking about Verilog and COA. So that part has been taught by Anish sir. So he will be talking about Verilog and COA now. So let's get back to Anish sir now.
Hi everyone, I am Anish and I will be teaching Verilog and COA in this digital VLSI course. So let's start with the syllabus of Verilog. So there are two modules of Verilog, module 1 and module 2. So in module 1 roughly is of 14 hours, and in this module first chapter will be basics of Verilog, in which I will introduce you to VLSI. Then we will learn about different levels of abstractions, keywords of Verilog, nets, registers, vectors, what are these kind of things, memory, parameters, all those things, how to write a Verilog code, about all these things we will learn. Then from the next chapter onwards, we will learn about gate level modeling. So gate level modeling is the type of modeling in which we will use basic gates to model our different logics, different kind of logics with using gate level. Okay. And in the next chapter, we will learn about data flow level of modeling. In data flow level of modeling, we will learn what is continuous assignments, what are different types of operators like equals to, equals to, and there are many kinds of operators, equals to, then there is triple equals to, okay, and there is not double equals to. So there are many kind of operators. There is right shift, there is left shift, there is arithmetic right shift, arithmetic left shift. So all those things we will learn in this chapter. Then in the next chapter, we will learn about behavioral level of modeling. In behavioral level of modeling, we will learn about this always keyword. Always keyword is there. Okay. Then timing controls. This should be timing controls, conditional statements, loops. What are loops in Verilog? Then there are few sequential and parallel blocks. So initial blocks are known as sequential, and fork blocks are known as parallel blocks. Okay. So all those things we will learn in this chapter, and at the end, the fifth chapter, we will do examples of all the circuits, combinational circuits, sequential circuits. Then obviously we will model few memories, RAM, ROM, dual RAM. Okay. Then FIFOs also we will model. Of course, we will model finite state machines. I have taken very great examples of FSMs as well, like a vending machine problem. Okay. And many more, like a traffic signal problem. All those we will try to implement in Verilog code, and few miscellaneous topics if it is left out. So we will cover those in the last chapter. So this was the syllabus for the Verilog, and the module 2 is of roughly 15 hours. So total the whole Verilog will be finished in 29 hours. Now let's discuss how the course delivery will be. So the videos will be recorded, notes will be provided both with black and white background for you to take the printout of the notes, Also, there will be live coding demos. It's not like I will just tell you the theoretical things. No, I will code in front of you. All those videos are there. You can see I am coding, right? It's not like I'm just explaining you, okay, what is double equals to operator, or what is a always block. No, I am telling you the theory. What is a always block? I'm telling you the theory. I'm implementing in the code as well. In all the other lectures, if you see in anywhere in YouTube, and most cases, mostly what happens, they only tell you theoretical things. They don't actually code it in front of you. So your understanding is not complete at that point of time. But that is the difference in our course. So we are comprehensively covering Verilog. So that's why I have provided live coding demos. Of course, whatever code I will write, those PDFs I will provide you. Okay, in the notes only you will see the PDFs. Syllabus coverage will be for freshers. Please keep in mind, system Verilog will not be covered. Only Verilog will be covered. Okay, assignments will be given to you. There are many assignments. Test series also has been uploaded. Test series is completely uploaded. Here it is saying will be updated. No, it is completely uploaded. Test series is uploaded, and you will also get a WhatsApp doubt solving group. So whenever you purchase the course, we will add you to a WhatsApp group. So automatically any doubts you have regarding the recorded content or any code or something, you can definitely ask in the group, tag us in the group and ask in the group. Okay, that was about the Verilog. Now let's discuss about the COA. So in COA, there are mainly 6 chapters that we will cover, and roughly the duration of the course will be 35 hours. So these are the 6 chapters. So let's discuss one by one. One great features about this course COA is that we have solved most of the gate PYQs of CSIT branch from COA, of course, most of the gate PYQs. So you don't have to worry about question practice. I have done enough practice, like I have solved enough questions so that you are comfortable with solving the questions, right? Gate PYQs. And of course, for placement as well, there is a placement test series. You will get enough practice resources. Let's discuss about the chapter 1. So in chapter 1, we have these many topics. First, we will discuss components of digital computer. What does a digital computer looks like? What are the different components? Then I will discuss about the different CPU architectures. Then what are micro operations? Then elements of machine instruction. Okay, what are the different elements of machine instruction? Then there is a term known as instruction set architecture. Every computer will follow a certain set of instruction set. Okay, so what is instruction set architecture? Then we will discuss about memory. We will discuss what is byte or what addressable memory, what is little big endian byte ordering, what is instructions based on operands. Like there are many instructions that changes depending on how the operands are used. What is operand? That also I have explained. So you can obviously go and watch the videos. Then instruction cycle. What is the instruction cycle? There is a term known as interrupt cycle. Addressing modes, very very important chapter. How many, like there are indirect addressing mode, direct addressing mode, how a data will be got into the CPU register. Okay, what kind of addressing mode we will follow, all those things have been taught in the chapter 1. Now let's discuss about the chapter 2. In chapter 2 we will learn about control unit, instruction pipelining and hazards. So here first of all we will learn about what is a data path, like how does whenever CPU request for something, how the data flows from the CPU to the memory then to the external device. What is the complete flow? It's not like a very simple switch that CPU asks for, let's say, data on address 2000 and we get the data. No, there are many processes in between, right? So those kind of process we will learn. Of course, we'll learn about control unit. Control unit, I have multiple types of control unit. One is microprogram control unit. Then there is like 2 types, horizontal, vertical microprogramming. So these kind of control unit we will learn in this chapter, and then after that we will cover about instruction pipelining, the one of the most important topics. And I have taught you in very lucid manner and like with very very good levels of examples so that you can relate with real life. Okay, with real life you can relate how is instruction pipelining in real life also used, and why is this so important, why is it used everywhere, our processor, all those things actually use pipelining, why is it so important, all those things I have explained in that chapter. Then of course if something has an advantage, it will have some disadvantage. So there are a few kinds of hazard in pipeline. Okay, whenever we implement this instruction pipeline, there are few kinds of hazard, like data hazard, control hazard and structural hazards. So those hazards also we have discussed in this chapter. In the next chapter we have discussed about non-synchronized pipeline, what are different kinds of non-synchronized pipeline. Then we have discussed about classical RISC pipeline. This is also very very important in terms of placement. Many times they get asked what are the different stages of a classical RISC pipeline, what do we do in different stages, exact things in details fully we have covered. Then we have discussed about non-linear pipelines. So whenever there is a non-linear pipeline, what kind of hazard can be caused, how can I mitigate those hazards. So those we have learned in this non-linear pipeline. Then in the next chapter, chapter 4, we have learned about the floating point representation and semiconductor memories. So floating point representation is a way to represent floating point numbers in computers. So to understand that, first I have discussed about types of number system, what are different types like octal, binary, hex, all those things. Then how do I convert between number systems? Then finally we come to the conventional floating point representation, how we conventionally used to represent. Then we had a standard known as IEEE 754 floating point representation, which is the most important standard, which is what we use. Okay, so that we have learned. And semiconductor memory also we have covered, like SRAM, DRAM, then how a memory hierarchy is arranged. Okay, and what is the working of DRAM, why is a DRAM refreshed, what is the internal working of DRAM, SRAM, what is the difference, what is volatile memory, all those things we have learned in the semiconductor memories. In chapter 5, we have learned about IO and memory organization. What are the modes of data transfer? Like if you have a input output device, let's say a printer, how the printer will communicate with the computer, right? Those things we have discussed in memory organization, how modes of data transfer will happen. Then what is DMA? DMA is the direct memory access. Without the interruption of CPU, the printer can directly communicate with the memory. Okay, because CPU is very busy person, right? So we don't want to always interrupt the CPU, we want to continue the data transfer without the involvement of the CPU. So for those kind of things DMA is used. Then of course we have covered our RAM ROM chips here as well, and memory hierarchy also. Okay, and then cache memory, the most important chapter for placements. Okay, we have discussed everything in full detail with practical aspects. I have opened my computer taskbar, I have shown you exactly where is cache memory located, why is cache memory required, what do we mean by locality of reference. Very great examples we have took. If you just watch the video you will see. Then we have cache write policies, cache mapping techniques. What are the different mapping techniques, how do I write in the cache, how do I read from the cache, what happens if there is a cache miss, all those things we have covered. Like all the topics are written over here. Also we have discussed about multi-level cache, like why we implement multiple levels of cache, why don't we have a single cache memory, what is cache inclusion policy. So these things we have covered. So again, the COA course delivery is almost similar, everything is like all the features are same, only just one important point to remember is this, in the syllabus coverage part, magnetic disk and tape will not be covered. This is not important for placements and not important for gate as well. That's why we have not covered this magnetic disk and tape. Okay, so all other features are there, test series assignments, all those things are there. Okay, so this was about the COA and Verilog. So now let's get back to Himanshu sir and let's get to know more about the course.
Yeah, so now you would have seen all the curriculum of digital design, COA and Verilog. Let's talk about aptitude. So aptitude will be helpful for your written test, right? So in the written test in aptitude, these kind of topics are asked. So all these topics have been covered. Okay, every topic has been covered, and these are like less discussed topic, but from here as well the questions would be coming. So these topics are also covered. So aptitude you will be able to cover in a very good quick manner. So you don't need to look at any other resources. We are only covering the aptitude part. So all these topics have been covered in aptitude. Okay, so that's it about the course curriculum. This is the complete course curriculum of this particular course, right? Now talking about the test series. So in this particular curriculum only, in this particular course only, you will be getting the test series as well. So the best thing about the test series is that you will be getting the video solution as well. We are framing 350 plus problem, and each problem is having a video solution by our own. I am framing the video solution, and whatever the problem Anish sir has framed, he is making the video solution. So, and 350 plus different problems will be there. It's not that problems will be repeated. All the problems will be different. And the best thing is we are covering all the topic. Let's just say in basics there is a topic called number system. So in number system, whatever the concept is there, all concept has been covered through questions. So if you just solve these 350 problems, then your whole subject will be revised. Whatever that is necessary for your placements, everything will be revised in just these 350 problems. So in that manner we are framing the test series. So this test series also you will be getting. Okay, so that was about the course curriculum. Let's talk about the trust now, right? Why should we trust you? So these are some comment screenshot that I have put. These are based on our content only that we have uploaded on YouTube. So these are the comments you can read. These are about HTA, this is about FSM. These are the typical topic, HTA, FSM. So some videos I have put, you can check out these comments. Okay, so this is about Verilog, some content is about COA. So if some comment is about COA, so you can check these comments if you want to. And if you don't want to trust on these comments, then we have uploaded content as well. Okay, you can check the content on your own, and then you can see whether they are teaching it good or not, whether we should trust this platform, whether we should go for the course or not. So because we have been someone who will never ever say that directly purchase our course. First study the content. If you feel like that, yes, they are delivering something extraordinary, yes, they are delivering something pretty good, we don't want you to see our credentials that we have worked in that company, we have got this much rank in gate, that we don't want. We want you to see the content, and once you see the content, you will realize the quality of the content that we have delivered here. Okay, so quality that I can guarantee that I can take on my own, the kind of quality you will see on this platform, that will be next to none. So yeah, you can go to YouTube and type this prep for interview digital domain. So some videos are there, 15 videos are there, a lot of content is there, you can watch that particular content. Then Verilog module 1 is completely available by Anish sir on his YouTube channel. So you just need to type digital design with Verilog Anish Shah, you will get this playlist. You can see the Verilog part from here, and cache memory by Anish sir also has been covered, so that part also you can see. Complete course is not available on YouTube, that is not possible, but a lot of part is already there, so that student can analyze whether I should go for the full course or not. So that part you can see. Okay, now coming to the most important part, what is the course price? So for the 6 months access, the course price is 3499, and for the 12-month access, the course price is 4799. But you can apply the promo code till 4th of April. Okay, till 4th of April, this promo code is applicable. You can apply the code TITANS15, TITANS 15. So you will get 15% off. So after that, discounted price will be 2994, and for 12 months, it will be roughly around 4000. Okay. Now it might happen that you are watching this particular video after 4th of April. You are watching in April, May, June, or whenever you are watching. So if you are watching after 4th of April, then you can go to the community post of this particular channel. There would be some information. If some discount code is running, then you can apply that code. If discount code is not running, then you need to purchase the course without the discount code only, or you can purchase the course once some discount code comes. So usually we bring the discount code on some festivals. Okay, so if there is some festival around, then you can see there would be some discount code running, but as of now there is this particular discount code, that is Titans 15. So those who are watching it now, they can purchase the course with the discount code TITANS 15. Okay, yeah. Now some common queries you will be having: what is the course language? That is English, but certainly Hindi people can also understand. I am speaking English only, but it's not like that I am speaking some American English or British English. This accent is understandable by North Indian, South Indian, or from anywhere in India. Okay, so certainly English, Hindi people can also understand this particular thing. Course duration, that I have already told, 150 hours of tech is there and 60 hours of aptitude is there. Now if you are purchasing one course, so in one subscription, 2 people can watch the content simultaneously. Let's just say at 4 p.m. I am watching some content, at 4 p.m. the other guy can also watch the content with one login ID only. So in one subscription, 2 people can watch, but one guy will watch on PC and one guy will watch on mobile. One on PC, one on mobile. And login can be done in any number of devices. Okay, I can log in this my PC, I can log in my mobile as well, I can log in my other mobile as well. But simultaneously only 2 logins would be there. Simultaneously 2 logins, one in PC, one in mobile. I hope this point is clear. But let's just say no one has logged in. No one has logged in any device, then you can log in your own device. So login will be done in any kind of devices. You can change the devices, but simultaneously 2 devices can be active at a time. Okay. So yeah, that's it about our complete course. Now talking about our other courses. So other courses are also there. So if you don't want the digital electronics part, whatever the part that I explained, digital electronics and CMOS VLSI part, if you just want the Verilog and COA part, so only for Verilog this course is there, only for COA this course is there, and if you want Verilog and COA, then this course is there. Okay, because some people would be needing only the Verilog and COA part, so for them we have made the separate course. Now if you are someone who is looking for analog, so for analog we have already made the course Analog VLSI Mastery, and the course launch video is also there. So you just need to type this particular title on YouTube: Launching Analog VLSI Mastery Cohort 0 to 100, a complete placement guide. So this title, if you watch, so complete information about the course is also given, what all things we have covered. So every information is given in this particular video, and these are the courses available. So if you want to prepare for analog domain, then you can go and purchase this course. And then coming to campus to core, basically whatever that we have covered in analog, whatever that we have covered in digital, and the aptitude part. So analog plus digital plus aptitude also I should have written here. Analog plus digital plus aptitude. Okay. So analog plus digital plus aptitude. If you want everything, test series and all those things, whatever that is there for placement, if you want everything, then these courses are there. One is for 6 months, one is for 12 months. So campus to core means everything is there: analog, digital and aptitude. Whatever that has been covered in analog, whatever that has been covered in digital, whatever that has been covered in aptitude, everything is there. Okay, so this is the campus to core. Now, if you don't want the content, you will say that, sir, yeah, I can cover the content from anywhere. I just need to solve the problem. So for that, we have test series as well. Test series for analog, test series for digital, test series for analog, and test series for aptitude. And if you want all these test series combined, then this is the test series campus to core VLSI, where it will cover analog, digital, and aptitude as well. So all these test series have been covered in this particular campus to core VLSI test series. Okay, so this is about the test series. Now lastly, we will talk about that how we can purchase and access the course. So for that, I need to take you to the website. So some link will be posted in the description box. So you can click on that particular link and you will get to our website, that is prepfusion.in, https prepfusion.in. So you can click on that particular link and you will be going towards the website. Okay, so you will be reaching the website, and that website, how to purchase the course there and how to access the course, that I will be talking about. Okay, yeah, so you just need to go to your browser and you need to type prepfusion.in, or you can click the link in the description box, then you will be reaching here. Next, you need to go to this placement course section. So all these placement courses are there. So first you need to sign up. Okay, if you have already signed up, then you can log in. So if you have logged in, then you will go to this placement course, and whatever the course that you want to purchase, this is for digital VLSI mastery cohort 0 to 100, this is for 12-month access, this is for 6 months access. These are campus to course 6 months and 12 month. This is analog VLSI 6 months and 12 month, and these are the digital design with Verilog. This is for COA, and this is COA and digital design with Verilog. All these courses are there, and if you want only the aptitude part, then this is the only the aptitude part is also available. So whatever the course you want to purchase, you can purchase that particular course, but you have to log in or sign up first. If you have already signed up, then you can log in. So now I will log in here, and then I will tell you how to purchase the course. Yeah, so now I have logged in, so I will click on this view details, then I will click on this buy now, and here I have the option of applying the Titans 15. So whatever the promo code that is running, you need to apply that, and if you apply it, so this course you can purchase. So this was about campus to core. You need to follow the same procedure for any of the course. So after purchasing the course, once you have done the payment, the course will be accessible to you. Now how to watch the lectures, that I am going to tell now. Okay, yeah, so once you are done purchasing the course, the videos will be played on the application. Okay, the videos will be played on app, not on website, because if we play the videos on website, then there is a chance that our course may get pirated. So that's why the videos will be played on the application. So for that, you need to download the application. Once you download the application, you need to log in there, and you will be able to access the course. You will be able to watch the lectures. So you just need to go to YouTube and type how to download PrepFusion app. So if you are using PC or Android, then you will watch this video. For Android, you can download it from your Play Store only. And if you are watching it on PC, then you will watch this video. In this video, I have told how to download the app. A very simple process is there. In 1 minute only, I am teaching I am telling how to download the app. And if you are watching it on Apple iOS devices, then you need to watch this particular video, that how you will download your app on that Apple iOS device. Okay, so in that manner you need to proceed. So I hope everything is crystal clear from the features, course curriculum, price, test series, and then we talked about how to purchase the course, and then we have talked about how to watch the lectures as well. So apart from this, if you are having any other query, then you can write down in the comment section. I will be certainly answering your all the queries. Yeah, thank you very much.